Thank you for sticking with Fox 14. I'm Kyla Scott. Topping our second half hour on Fox, criminal charges will be filed against 5 officers in the death of Ronald Greene. Fox 14's Stephen Pappas was at the proceedings today, and he has the latest.
It was a long day at the Union Parish Courthouse, starting early this morning and wrapping up just after 7:30 tonight. In the end, charges will be filed against 5 people involved in the in-custody death of Ronald Greene back in 2019. Those in Greene's corner still feel that the punishment isn't harsh enough.
You can get beat by the police, you can get killed by the police, and there still won't be no justice.
I think it was kind of blah-blah-ish. I can't say what I want to say on TV.
Corey York, Chris Harpin, John Clary, Dakota DeMoss, and John Peters will now be facing criminal charges for the in-custody death of Ronald Greene. York being charged with negligent homicide and 10 counts of malfeasance in office. District Attorney John Belton was limited in what he could say, but says the facts were presented.
I've always said that I would take all legal evidence to a grand jury and allow the grand jury to make a decision, and the citizens of Union Parish spoke today.
One resident of Union Parish says that she's unhappy with the punishment and feels the best way to make sure things change is at the polls.
It leads me to believe that the next election we need to get out there and vote, because we need people in there for us. We know what happened to Ron. Everybody saw it. It's on national TV. We know what happened. So give us the right charges. Charge him for murder. It's not negligent homicide. Negligent homicide, that was an accident. If that, I just don't think the charges that he presented today fit the crime.
Brika Peoples is a Louisiana state actionist and feels the road to justice is longer, but has hopes for the future.
It's still longer. Hopefully when the DOJ will do what they need to do to hold people accountable. I hope the administration get held accountable, because the administration helped cover this up too. I mean, it just don't start with the officers, it starts with the administration, but also with the politicians.
Now, all 5 names listed on the bill of indictment have had their arrest warrants issued. Reporting in Farmerville, I'm Stephen Pappas.